How to delete your Brawl Stars account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can delete your Brawl Stars account, so let's dive in. First you have to click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then you have to go to the settings. And in the settings you have to go to the help and support option, and now you have to click this account option, and now you simply have to click this recover your account, and then you have to click I lost my account. And now click this message bubble on the top right corner, and then you have to click leave a message. And now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click this request or delete my data, and then you have to just click over here delete my data again, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and you have to click do you want to delete this game, click it, and here you have to click I agree to delete my data. And then you have to click delete account over here, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you can see that your deletion request has now been proceeded successfully. And then you have to just wait for the 30 days, and the deletion process can take up to 30 days, and then you'll be not able to log into your game until this process is completed. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.